So, hello guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So, today in this video, we are going to learn how do we share our Spotify music to our Snapchat. So, to do that, firstly open your Spotify. After opening your Spotify, choose any one song you want to share. I'm going with Day Lily from Moments. I like this song very much. So, at the top right corner you can see the three dots. Click on that and you can see the share option right here. Just click on share and you can see the Snapchat icon. Now you can see you can share any music you like from Spotify to Snapchat. Just tap on send to and share it with the people you like. So that's all guys. If you like our video, please like and subscribe for further more videos like this. Thank you for watching.